And you can see all these lines here, these little bevels here. And for now this is only in color input, and this just fake bevels. So I want to create a real geometry here, and later I will remove this fake shadows here in UV editor. So I will now go to edit mode and go with Ctrl R and try add loop cuts here. And I will remove this Lucas from this area, because I will have problem later create this little part here, and I will not create bevels here. For now you need to add loop cuts here, but later we will just deselect this. So go with Ctrl R here. And I will skip this step here. Continue here. And you can see that this not match perfectly, but this is not important to be perfect, because we will remove this later. Now I will try to select all these lines. So go with side view and go with Control to find the shortest path, and to skip to another side press Shift, and now you can go with Control again. So Shift, Control, Shift, Control. And I will remove this one with hold Control and slide with mouse. This will also skip this part here, and you can continue with this. So Shift, Control to here to skip this part here, and continue with this line here. So Shift, and to here. I will also skip this part here. So Control here, Shift, Control, Shift, Control, and I will skip this part here for now, and no, I will bevel also this one, just to here. So
Shift, Control, and Shift, Control.
I think I will skip this part here also. And next I will do here is go with Control B to bevel this, and add just one loop cut here, and scroll mouse up or down to add just one loop cut. And now go with Control minus on numpad And now we have just one this selected, and if you go with S here, you see what you get. So we just need to go to mesh, transform, and shrink pattern, or Alt S. And now you can move this along normals. So if you hold Shift, you can just slightly or precise move this inside. Something like this. And now I will go again with Ctrl plus to expand selection, and I will bevel this. Ctrl B and just add one loop cut more. You can see that we now have these lines here. Now we have a real geometry here. And we create some problems here. We can go with K or knife. Just connect this, and now it's better. And I will now select all with A, and I will go with F3 and try merge by distance. Yes, I removed 10 vertices here. And I think we can now cut these doors here. So go with knife. And now press enter, and I think we can now select all this and delete faces, and one more here. And the next I will extrude this part here, and this one here. So select here and go with Control, no, skip this, and go with Shift, and now we can go with Alt T. And extrude this out. And just select this with Control and this with Shift. And I will not go here with Alt T, just E and Y axis, to Y axis, E, Y. And just extrude out. Okay. And I see also that this little lines here is extruded out. So we can just select this and this one and go with Alt E and extrude this out. And the next I will try create is this little monument here, or it looks like little house. So I will go to edit mode, and I will try with Ctrl R here, and I can go only to here, so I I will connect this with knife. And go with knife here, K, and hold Z for Z axis and press enter, K, Z, and I think I need one more cut here. Okay, I can go only to here. Okay. I will try connect this something like this, and another side, and I will go with knife here and connect this. And I think we should now select all this. So I will just remove this part here. And I can now extrude this on y-axis, E and Y. Something like this, and now I will deselect this with Control and extrude this on Y again. And I see little more details here, so I will add another cut here, and extrude this a little more. And maybe I can move this along y-axis. We have little problems here, so I will try to fix this. I think we just need to move this down. And maybe now bevel this. And when we are in material mode, maybe you can see these glitches, or it look like transparent when you see from this side. And I'm not sure why this happened, but this is only in material mode, and it's not important for us. So if you go to solid view, you can see that everything is okay, and also in render mode. But this is Eevee, and we will render this in cycles, and this looks good. And we can see that this row of stones is also extruded out, so we can do this. So I think I will go with Shift, and when you go with Control we have a lot of problems here. So just manually. Shift, and I will not go with Alt E here, because then we lose this bevel. So I will go with Mesh Transform and Shrink Pattern, and it should be work. Okay, and I forget select this one. Shift and now. And also this one. And I will now create these bevels here. So I will go with K. And maybe here. And I will just connect this one here and one here. And connect these two also. And this one. And now select all these lines. This. And I will not select this one. Control B, bevel, and add one more loop cut in the middle, scrolling mouse. And Control minus. And okay, why this is deselect? So I can now just go with move this on y-axis. And Control plus, and I don't want to bevel this here, and just add one bevel here. Okay, this looks okay in solid view. And we can extrude this out. Extrude Y. And if you go to front orthographic, you can see that it's not visible, and that's because we don't have bevel here. But we can bevel this for now, but we have a lot of work with bevel later. We need bevel all these lines later, but I will now bevel this. Control B. I think I will move this more out so we can bevel more. And maybe I can rotate this on x-axis little. Something like this, and now I can bevel. And now you can see how this is more visible, and how bevel is important. And I will now create these bevels here, these lines here. So just select these lines. Control B and scroll mouse to add one more loop cut. And now move Control minus and move this on y-axis. Control plus and Control B. And I don't want to bevel this vertices here, so I will deselect. If you have little more time, you can deselect this. And now go with Control B, just one segment. Okay, and this looks much better now. And I will now create these details here, these arms and snakes. So just go to edit mode and play with a knife. And now we can extrude this on y-axis, and we can bevel this, but I don't want to bevel these lines inside, so deselect this and go with Control B.